The Amazon rainforest, the single largest tropical forest in the world, spanning over half of the Brazilian terrain, approximately 9 times the size of Texas. Her natural resources are unparalleled. 500 varieties of mammals, over 300 species of reptiles, nearly a third of the world's bird population, more than 30 million different types of insects, and countless species not yet discovered inhabit this one region. For much of the past 30 years, the Amazon has been the subject of attention by both the media and environmental organizations alike. Even though millions of dollars have already been poured into protecting the Amazon's ecosystem, its future existence remains in question. Can anything stop this destructive process? Scientists estimate that anywhere from 13.5 million to 55 million acres of tropical rainforests are destroyed every year. All of this massive destruction has led to the greatest number of extinctions in plants and animals the world has ever known. Lumber production, one of the main industries in the Amazon, has been developed in the most harmful way imaginable, with no concern for forest handling or with the use of less aggressive extraction methods. Recently, the Amazon has witnessed the advent of Asian timber companies who, disregarding any environmental issues, are slowly establishing a strong presence in South America. Agriculture is a major contributor to deforestation in the Amazon as well. Small nomadic farming communities move into an area, chop down all of the trees, burn them to ashes, and then plant their crops. After a few years, the soil nutrients are so depleted that the land is no longer any good for planting. So they move to a new location and start the process all over again. This is what is known as slash and burn cultivation. Other groups simply burn areas of the forest in order to create pastures for their cattle. Cattle ranchers and farmers have become some of the biggest threats to the rainforest. One of the latest forms of environmental destruction is gold mining, which has brought with it a combination of gold rush fever, mercury contamination of the rivers, and brutal deforestation in many parts of the rainforest.